Hello, welcome to um, Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's start the reading. Para sa gustong i-check yung ibang channel natin, meron kaming isa pang channel na naka-focus sa Water Sign Philippines. Please do check it out. Let's start for Water Sign. You do aware the Three of Cups, Ace of Cups. Actually, madami to pero nakuha ko yung energy na message to para sa'yo. So, ito yung main energy mo, water sign. And you do have here the Judgment at the bottom of the deck. Nakakita tayo dito with the Three of Cups. Maybe you're dealing with someone na maybe a friend or a person in the past or a person na parang tinuring mo ng pamilya. I don't know, but I can see a lot of love here with the Ace of Cups. Maybe tinuring mo ng kapatid or maybe a best friend kind of energy. Maybe someone na you are manifesting na bumalik sa buhay mo. In the future, the Eight of Cups is a future energy. And sana magkaroon ng pagbabago with the Wheel of Fortune pagdating sa Three of Swords, which is a third party situation. So nakikita natin yan. Lalo na the Three of Cups and the Three of Swords is, with the number 3, it is showing us other people na involved sa connection ninyo, other person. And you want this person na magkaroon ng pagbabalik sa inyo. Maybe because of this, natigil yung connection ninyo ng taong ito. There's a powerful attraction and love na nararamdaman mo sa taong ito. And maybe, with the Judgment, na-realize mo, and Judgment is some kind of awakening, and maybe may kinalaman ito sa connection ninyo. Pwedeng nagising ka sa connection na meron ka sa taong ito. Na maybe dati, itinuring mo ng hindi iba sa'yo. And with the Ace of Cups, minahal mo tong taong to. Okay. Kunin natin yung main energy niya. Take only what resonates, water sign. Pag di ka nakaka-relate, hindi para sa'yo ang reading. Huwag ipilit. Or pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles. 8 of Coins. So you're dealing with someone na busy-busy, focus sa kanyang career, money, trabaho. Page of Swords and the 6 of Cups. And the Ace of Swords. Iniisip ka niya, but maybe there's like a child na involved sa connection ninyo na iniisip din niya. And with the 6 of Cups, sabihin na natin, masaya siya para sa'yo sa kung ano yung narating mo, nangyayari sa buhay mo. Maybe this person feels like masaya ka naman na, o sige, magiging masaya na lang din ako para sa'yo. And this person, maybe is trying to ignore you. Huwag kang pansinin, huwag kang isipin, and mag-focus sa material na bagay. I feel like marami siyang itinulong sa'yo in the past. So, importante ka sa taong to, pero nakikita niya kung gaano ka-importante sa'yo ang mga bagay na pinagfufokusan mo ngayon. So, hinahayaan ka lang niya pagdating sa part na yon. So, emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Water sign, you do have your Knight of Swords. 7 of Cups. 7 of Coins. Ang Temperance. The Moon, the Chariot, dalawang major arcana, and the 5 of Wands, sorry. And then, the Death card is here. So, I can see there's an ending na nangyayari sa inyo. And maybe, some kind of rebirth. So, pwedeng with the Knight of Swords, nararamdaman mo sa taong to is that I feel like, tinatry mo siyang layuan or iwasan because with the 7 of Coins, maraming mga bagay na gustong makuha muna sa ngayon. Maybe achievements na gusto mo muna ma-achieve ngayon. The Temperance is like I want to clarify this. What's with the temperance? Four of Swords and the Four of Coins, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Sa ngayon, wala kang pakialam sa kanya kasi marami kang pinagkakaabalahan sa ngayon. Well, pagdating sa emotion, mahal mo siya pero hindi siya yung priority mo. Mahal mo siya pero sa ngayon, kung magkakaroon ng chance or pagbabalik itong taong ito sa'yo, nandun pa rin naman yung pagmamahal, hindi naman nawala. Pero sa ngayon, hindi mo pwedeng ipakita that kind of energy. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin. And with the Four of Coins, I could say na yung ego mo ngayon medyo mataas talaga. So, you're trying to fight your feelings. Tinatry mong labanan yung emotions or yung feelings mo para sa kanya. Because I feel like, yung iba hindi mo alam kasi kung paano haharapin itong emotions na to. Yeah, the world is here. So, pwedeng may pagkakalayo or distance sa inyo sa isa pa sa nagiging dahilan. Anyway, ang emotions ng taong ito sa'yo is that nahirapan siyang ilaban ang connection, ang emotions niya para sa'yo. The Chariot, so umiiwas siya, lumalayo siya with the Moon. I feel like there's silence, no communication sa inyo ng taong ito. And feeling niya, gusto mo siya, mahal mo siya, ramdam niya yon. Pwedeng nasa isip niya din na mahal mo siya. Pero because medyo mahirap yung connection or yung situation ninyo ngayon, so itong taon to, lumalayo or umiiwas na lang siya. Okay? Yun yung pinaka-action. Kasi, nagiging analytical lang siya mag-isip eh. At saka, this person is focusing on, although ramdam niya na ganyan yung feelings mo, maybe this person wants you to express these feelings or emotions para sa kanya. Pero dahil hindi mo naman ine-express, 'di ba? Bakit pa? What will happen in the near future for the both of you? Three of Swords and the Queen of Swords. The World. Six of Coins and the Star. The Fool is here. Ten of Cups. And the Ace of Wands. Eight of Wands is here and the Sun. Well, actually yung future, kayong dalawa ang kailangan gumawa ng action if you want your future to be a happy or positive future, happy ending. 'Di ba? Yun ang katulad ng the story of Cinderella. Nagkaroon sila ng happy ever after ng Prince Charming niya. Dahil gumawa ng paraan si Cinderella na maka-attend ng party sa palasyo. Kahit marami ang naging hadlang, marami ang naging problema. Wait lang guys. So anyway, ang lesson dito is that if you want to be happy, kung ano man yung mga nagiging hadlang sa connection ninyo, kailangan gawan pa rin ng action yun eh. Kasi tingin mo ba si Cinderella magiging masaya siya, magkakaroon siya ng happily ever after niya kung hahayaan niya na yung naging hadlang sa connection nila ng Prince Charming niya is magpapakaya-kaya siya doon, which is yung stepsister and stepmother niya. 'Di ba pinigilan siya makapunta sa party pero gumawa siya ng paraan. Okay? And sabihin na natin, remember, I don't know kasi kung alam mo story about doon, pero masyadong kilala ang story ng Cinderella. So, alam nyo naman, most of you na nanonood, alam mo yung story ng Cinderella. And then yung iba pa banggitin, there's a stepmother. Yung stepmother, that is the universe. That is your spirit guides. That is your angel guides. Nandyan sila, nakaagapay sila, nakatulong sila sa'yo eh. And I feel like if you are really meant for this person, nasa kanila ang sign, nasa kanila ang pagtulong, pero nasa sayo pa rin ang gawa. Nasa sayo pa rin ang action. Diba? Katulad ni Cinderella. Well, the way I see this is that this person is willing to take the risk. In the future, willing siya mag-take ng risk, lalo na kung kilala mo talaga itong taong ito as a risk taker. Lalo na. Kasi sa nakikita natin dito, this person is a friend, this person is a best friend, this person is someone na hindi stranger sa'yo. So, alam mo kung paano siya mag-isip, alam mo kung paano siya kumilos. Alam mo na risk taker siya na klase ng tao. Okay? Pero kung hindi ka sure, maybe this is not your reading. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, you know that this person is a risk taker. Maybe in the past, nagkaroon siya ng mga pagkakamali pagdating sa relationship or pagdating sa love dahil masyado siyang risk taker. Okay? Ilalaban niya sa pamilya niya that kind of energy. And in the future, I can see that there's a possibility na ilalaban ka nitong taong ito sa pamilya niya. Why? Because this person is not afraid of the new beginnings. Siya yung tipo ng tao na hindi siya takot magsimula ulit. And this person wants to be happy. And nandun na yung feeling at affection and love and desidido itong taong ito na gawain yon. But if you will be like Cinderella, kung itutuloy mo, kung ipupush mo, kung tutulungan mo yung spirit guides mo, yung angel guides mo, na mapunta ka talaga sa taong to. This is what I can see here with the 6 of coins. Kasi 6 of coins is about pagtulong. Kung tutulungan mo yung spirit guides mo, yung angel guides mo. Okay, the 3 of wands, I can see you missing this person. Pero if you miss this person, with the Queen of Swords, some of you possible na i-cut off, tanggalin ang person nito sa buhay nyo. Pero you will never reach the stars. The stars here, this is what you feel and wish fulfillment mo. And this is you wanting this person. Hindi mo maaabot, marireach ang star kung hahayaan mo itong kusang bumagsak sa'yo. Kasi, honestly, pagdating sa love, hindi naman yun basta susulpot na lang sa harapan mo. Ang babago pa rin sa future mo ay ikaw. So, with the world, ayan, I can see high chance of completion. Connection, twin flame soulmate completion. Pero of course, kailangan din ng action mula sa'yo. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.